Family Emergency Kit. A family emergency kit is a ready-to-go collection of essential supplies that helps your household stay safe and self-sufficient during unexpected situations like power outages, natural disasters, or evacuations.
You have 3 minutes. Are your go bags ready? If your house goes from calm to chaos in minutes, will everyone make it out? One bag won't cut it. Each person needs their own kit. Make 1 kit per person. For babies, formula, bottles, diapers, wipes, spare clothes, a comfort toy. For kids, snacks, water, ID card, whistle, and a small toy. For teens, phone, charger, power bank, hygiene kit, and emergency cash. For adults, documents, first aid, flashlight, radio, food, and water. For elderly, medicines, glasses, easy-to-eat food, and mobility supports. Keep bags by the exit, check them regularly, and practice your escape plan as a family. Preparation saves lives. Start today.